Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both finger and capture device. Wash with mild soap and dry completely so natural oils are gone. This improves ridge contrast. Once clean, remove rings and lotions and wipe the sensor or paper with isopropyl to eliminate residues. Place your finger squarely, perpendicular to the sensor, and press evenly for 2 to 3 seconds. Steady, not forceful. Make sure lighting is even if photographing. Avoid glare. These first actions set the baseline for a clear, usable print. Once you have a good base, capture several impressions with slight angle and pressure variation to reveal hidden ridge detail. Use a scanner at 600 dpi or a high-resolution camera with diffuse lighting to avoid shadows. After capture, open the best image in an editor and increase contrast, apply a subtle unsharp mask, and adjust local levels to bring out ridges without introducing artifacts. Make sure to save an untouched original copy, because you may need to revert if processing over-enhances noise. To finish, inspect the enhanced image against the original to ensure ridges and minutiae are clear and not artifacts. If the print is smudged, stop and reclean the finger and surface, then recapture. For latent prints, consider a gentle fingerprint powder lift or fuming with cyanoacrylate following safety protocols. If blur persists, increase capture resolution, change to cross-lighting, or use a rolling capture from nail base to pad to flatten ridges. Remember, small changes in pressure and angle often fix most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.